Hi, ek is 𝙗𝙘𝙘𝙦 van 𝙂𝙖𝙘𝙠 Group. Ons is hier by Kungwini welsynsorganisasie in Pretoria Oos. 'n paar goedjies wil ek kom aflaai vandag. Saam met Mack Rappapali step by step. Deel van sy groep. Ja.
Hi, I'm Manuela, the Marketing and Fundraising Manager from Kungwini Welfare Organization. This is my colleague 𝙗𝙘𝙘𝙦. We work hand in hand, always, and we want to thank 𝙂𝙖𝙘𝙘𝙦 and Mack Rappapali and 𝙗𝙖𝙘𝙘𝙦 with the Blue Bulls team for this amazing day. The donations, you don't know how much it means to us and to our residents, and you will see their happy faces, and we want to thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you.
Guys from 𝙗𝙖𝙘𝙦, the team at 𝙗𝙘𝙘𝙦, thank you so much for giving this opportunity to give you a small donation to Kungwini Welfare Organization, and hope that it really helps you guys and that you enjoy the gifts.
Hi Mack, we're here again. What an amazing experience. We're at Kungwini Welfare Organization on Linwood Road today. What an absolute blessing to give back to our communities again. Mack, thank you for the work again that you're doing for us with Step by Step. Thank you for all the companies that have come on board. Thank you to 𝙗𝙘𝙘𝙦 that has joined us here today. Look in the team, you guys are absolutely amazing. To 𝙗𝙘𝙘𝙦 and the Blue Bulls team, you're absolutely amazing. What an amazing day to just come and spend some time with people that actually appreciate every little thing that we be able to bring for them today, and just having a little bit of fun with them, and actually realizing what life is all about, and to make it worthwhile. And again, Mack, thank you so much for what you do. I'm honored. Thank you, Mack.
Hallo daar. So it is, and it has been a beautiful day out in Kungwini Welfare Organization, Pretoria East. Firstly, I'd like to say big thank you, to my family, 𝙂𝙖𝙘𝙘𝙦 Group. Guys, I truly appreciate everything that you do for me, but also, most importantly, that you do for the communities in general. The Vodacom Bulls pulled in. They did an amazing work. Loftus Park, thank you so much, guys. 𝙗𝙘𝙘𝙦 team for pulling in. Thank you so much, guys. Truly appreciate it. Most importantly, thanks to you that actually showed support at the Mack Rappapali's 𝙂𝙖𝙘𝙘𝙦 Group Golf Day, because through you, we can reach out to more communities. As you saw, everyone is happy, everyone is dancing, the braai is on, the guys are throwing rugby balls around, we're taking a lot of pictures, people are dancing, we're singing, it's karaoke. It is just mad out in Kungwini. So thank you guys, truly appreciate it. I am, and we are, as 𝙂𝙖𝙘𝙦 Group, honored. I just want to also say a massive shout out to 𝙗𝙘𝙘𝙦 from Thunder Ridge Spur, who pulled in for us, and also to Andrew from 𝙗𝙘𝙘𝙦. Guys, thank you so much. Truly appreciate it. It is spirit gewerk, and you made it happen. One love and respect.